Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll share a time lapse of me modeling sunglasses in Blender. If you enjoy it and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment with any question or suggestions you might have. Thank you for watching. I will start with drawing my own reference images for the glasses, but you can of course use any images you find on Google. Always keep your model light at the beginning stages. You will need to change the main shape often, so don't start with a dense resolution. Use the sub-D modifier to your advantage and only add new geometry when you need it. Take your own glasses and look at them to get a sense of how certain parts work or look. I'm not a huge fan of AI voiceover, but it definitely beats having to listen to computer fans, loud bike vrooming about, constant AC noise, and of course, who can forget the constant key-smashing feeling like someone is punching inside your ears, and mouth smacking, making the hair on your neck stand up from rage. Trust me, this is way better. Remember, unless the project you are working on requires it, don't get bogged down on how something works mechanically. Remember, there isn't a rigid order on how to do things. As long as you don't change the UVs or the rigging of your model, you can still alter the shape and design at any point. If things don't look good when you're adding materials and base colors, don't hesitate to fix it. During my projects, I would usually start looking at it in real-time render view from very early on. When it comes to lighting our model, especially a product, we can always rely on the three-point light system, which consists of a primary key light, a secondary rim light, and a tertiary fill light. But of course, you can use any lighting you want as long as it presents your model in an appealing way and doesn't make it flat and boring. I have two add-ons that help tremendously with lighting and rendering called Light Wrangler and Photographer. You can still have beautiful renders without them. They simply help a lot.